Welcome to today's home tour with your host Solomon. Today I'm taking you in Marvida. This is one of the best communities here in Cypress, Texas. And we're going to check out the floor plan right behind me. It's built by MI Home. And guys, they've built it in a way, I asked the sales agent and she said they built it in a way where you would not feel like it's just two-story home. You'll feel like it's a one-story. I mean, look at it. Would you actually guess that it's a two-story home? So it's designed for family. It's designed for people that have multiple kids. It's in fact a two-story, but I also recommend it for investors. I mean, you can live downstairs. The way it's built, you can literally live downstairs and rent out or Airbnb the second floor level. The second floor feels like a home, its own separate house. So investors, please be on the lookout for this one. Now, before we get started, let me introduce myself really quickly. My name is Solomon Sage. I'm a local realtor here in Houston, Texas. I help families like you relocate, buy the first home, sell the home, or even invest. So if that's you, please do not hesitate to contact me. My contact information will be in the description below, and my team and I will be more than happy to help you make a smooth move here or a smooth transaction. So with that being said, let's go check out this amazing floor plan by MI Home here in Marvida in Cypress, Texas. Let's go.